Medical facility managers need to accomplish a lot within specific timelines. It deals with humans and drugs, unlike other industries that deal with goods. Automate work orders using digital checklists to prioritize and complete them efficiently and on time. Track real-time asset location and record maintenance operations 24/7 in centralized cloud servers for accreditations. Prepare operation theaters, wards, and surgical equipment on short notice using ad hoc schedules. Provide the best post-operative care with prompt surgical and bioequipment maintenance. Save time, money, and resources while retaining the focus on treatments. Overcome all challenges you are facing in recent times with Innomaint Hospital Facility Management Software. Schedule a demo with our experts and learn more about Innomaint.